Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to integrate Admob's banner ads into your Android Studio app. Once your app is ready, you would like to earn money from it, and the best way to earn money is to integrate some small simple ads which do not disturb the user and do not spoil the user experience. Those are the banner ads. These are very simple code, and I will tell you how to do it. So just go to Google and write Admob, and you will see the first thing open is mobile app monetization. Now you have to sign up, or if you have already signed up, you can just sign in. You will come to the main page where you will see on the left side there is a list of app, whatever you have. In that you can click on add apps, select the platform Android. If the store listed, if you have already uploaded the app in some store like Play Store, you can select yes. But if you are not, if you are just building the app, you can say no, and you can do it later. That's no problem. So I'll select no here. I come to this screen where I have to write an app name. Give any app name what you want to give. User matrix, let us keep it on, and then add app, and then you can see that you have successfully added your app. This is also saying what to do next. Let's skip this part and click on done, and then you will see the app overview. So here now, because we have not added any ad unit, there are many units, so we have to add unit. Once you click on this, you will see there are a lot of options like banner, interstitials, rewarded interstitials, rewarded, native rewarded. Today in this video, we will just do banner ad. So click on banner ad, and here you have to give a ad unit name, any name you can give. So let's give a banner. Then in the advanced setting, you can see many things are there, but some settings for the optimization are all there. Yeah, we can just skip if you are new to this, and nothing doing here. So just create ad. It's saying next place the ad unit inside your app. So one is your app ID, which this CA-app-pub- some number and separated by a tilde. That's your app ID. And the lower one is your ad unit ID separated by slash. I'll just copy these codes and I will keep it somewhere in the notepad so that I can access it anytime. So I don't need to open it, login in Admob again and again. I will give the name, any name you can choose in Admob banner.txt. So I will just paste it here and I will call it app ID. And then next I will copy the second ID, that is test unit ID, that is for my banner ad. So I'll copy this also and I will keep in my notepad file. And I can click done here. So you can see first list entry banner is created with the unit ID showing. You can click on this, and anytime you want to see your unit ID, you can click and see the other things. And whenever you want to see the app ID, you can just click on implementation instruction. You can see the same page again. So you can come to this page anytime. Now you can see left side icon on the grid icon. You can see this new Android app has come here. This has been added here. Then there are some other control like app settings. Once your app is listed in Play Store, you can select here. You can click the add button and you can select the app name. It will be added here. Then only your advertising income will start. So that's it about the Admob, guys. And go to the Android Studio and we will see how to integrate Admob in our app. Launch the Android Studio. Open the new project. Select the empty activity. And here you have to give name to your application. So I will write Admob activity. In the package manager, I can leave it default, but it is better to change the default com.example to something else, because if sometimes the ad doesn't appear with com.example. So it is always advisable to not write com.example. Sometimes Admob test ad doesn't come with this, so ultimately you have to change your package. And then you will see our main activity.java and Android underscore main.xml has opened. So first I will run the basic empty activity. You can see it saying Admob activity hello world, and there is nothing coming inside. So whatever target is to create a banner ad on the bottom of this screen. So for that, first go to the build Gradle, the app level, and there you have to, on the dependencies, you will write implementation com.google.android.gms play service ads 21.5.0. that's the latest version. Once you've done it, you have to sync the project. So next thing we will do is go to Android manifest file, and in the manifest, just above the applications, we'll create some space and we'll write the metadata Android names equal to com.google.android.gms.ads.application underscore id. And then in the second line, write Android value in the quotes will go to our notepad file and copy our app ID here and paste it inside the quotes and close it here. So now we will go to our XML, change the layout from this constraint layout to relative layout, and we'll delete this text view from here. So what you can do is go to Google, just write Admob banner ad Android Studio, click banner ads, and you will see there is a code given here. So just copy this code, paste it in the relative layout. So you can see the unit ID, not the unit ID which you have been allotted. It is a test ID which will be useful, because if you use the actual ID while development and if you click on that, your app will be banned from the ad. That's why take precaution and always do with the test ID. So you can see in the XML also at the bottom, you can see there is a place ads by Google is coming. Now we go to our main activity.java. Here below the set content view, we'll first initialize the mobile ads. We will write mobile ads dot initialize. Inside the brackets, we will write this comma new. On initialization, complete listener codes will come, and that's our initialization is done. And next thing we have to do is to configure it. So we will create a variable m add view is equal to find view by id r.id add view. The error is coming for m add view because we have not declared it. Then write add request equal to new add request dot builder dot build. We'll create variable private add view m add view. You can see there is no error. After the request, we will write maddview.loadAdd inside the bracket add request. So that's all, friends, and once we run it, we will be able to see the ads, and you can see the after some time the test ad appears, and you can see at the bottom, if you click, you can go to the Admob page. So this is how you implement the Admobs. If you like this video, please give your comments, likes, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will bring you more videos like this. Thank you very much.